What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and today we got to go over Ethereum because, as you can see, Ethereum is doing a little bit of a pullback. But before this, we had a nice rally, so we're going to be going over this and what I believe is going to be happening next inside Ethereum. And also, definitely hit the like button and subscribe because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send some donations through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now let's go over Ethereum. So the first thing that you can see here with Ethereum is that we are having a little bit of a pullback. But look at this. We're actually hitting a chance of reversal with the pullback. And this gives me the perfect chance to talk about the vital algo indicators. As you can see, the second we hit this chance of reversal, we're actually bouncing off of a supply and demand area. The green areas, the green shaded areas being our supply and demand of high demand, the red areas being our supply and demand of low demand. So actually, once we hit this red area of low demand inside of Ethereum, we're actually seeing that we're going on this pullback. We were inside of that low demand area for a little while, from a little bit earlier today, about 3 a.m. all the way up till now. But now we're finally having this reversal, which is this pullback. So we're going to end up hitting this this supply and demand down here. And actually, now that we've hit the 4,500 support, we're probably going to do another uptrend going back up and trying to retest that area. Now, over here, you can see everything else is taking a little bit of a dip. You see Bitcoin taking a dip, as well as Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, Dogecoin. You see pretty much everything's taking that dip. So what I really do want to mention here, after we just now took the dip, like after all of this, look over here, 24-hour market control. The 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 60%. So we're still 60% bullish here. So it's not that big of a deal that we're going down a little bit. As you can see, we are coming off of an overbought area here on the oscillator. You can see on the oscillator that we were way overbought back here. Actually, we were overbought even on the 28th. We've been pumping up ever since then, trying to get back these gains and actually recover from this drop that we had previously. But the whole time that we were down, we were always inside of that high demand area for Ethereum. So that's why, like, Ethereum, as Ethereum went down, it just started to gain more and more demand. Now, Ethereum is starting to pass Bitcoin a little bit inside the trading volume almost. Like, Ethereum was past it, like, very briefly. Now it's back below it at 26.9 billion, but it was like 39 billion. So we got to definitely watch out for Ethereum. Ethereum has huge potential here, and it could definitely surpass Bitcoin inside the 24-hour trading volume and possibly even market cap if we continue to burn like we're doing. I mean, look at what we got going on. Like over here at the burning of Ethereum, watch the burn. You can come to this website if you want to watch it yourself, watchtheburn.com. But look, total burned, we have $4.9 billion burned inside Ethereum total. Remember, this hasn't even, the EIP 1559 has not been out for that long. Let's be completely honest. So in the last hour, we've burned $2.3 million inside of Ethereum. That's 510 Ethereum, $2.3 million in Ethereum burned within an hour. Within a day, we burned $56.7 million worth of Ethereum within one day. And then within the one day, the 12,000 Ethereum pretty much is 56.7 million. And then 7 days in a whole week, we burned $348 million of Ethereum. There's a lot of cryptos that don't even have that market cap. I mean, Baby Doge is just a little bit above that market cap. So just to see that Ethereum is burning this much with inside of 1 week, that's a lot. 76.7K Ethereum. And then in 1 month, Ethereum burns $1.6 billion inside of Ethereum inside of 1 month, which is 360,000 Ethereum. And then over time is that $4.9 billion. So we're burning so much Ethereum. Over time is going to definitely stack up, and we're going to see a lot of money being burned. We're going to see Ethereum becoming more scarce and more scarce over time, and we're probably going to see it pass Bitcoin. I mean, a lot of people don't want to believe that Ethereum can pass Bitcoin, but Ethereum can definitely pass Bitcoin. Now, when Ethereum actually does this, it's not going to be at the same price or higher than Bitcoin. It's just not, because the tokens is just a little bit, the tokens is just way more tokens than Bitcoin. But if we think about it, as we continue to burn more Ethereum, that's when it becomes more scarce. And that's when you can see the price become larger than Bitcoin's price. So over time, it's actually scheduled to outpass and outweigh Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just a store of value, but Ethereum, literally people are building on top of Ethereum. So there's a lot of potential here with Ethereum. I'm not saying that it's going to completely invalidate Bitcoin. Bitcoin will always hold its place in crypto as like the number one, the one that was created first, whether it's number one as being created first or number one as in a store of value. But when you look at other things, Ethereum is passing Bitcoin, no lie. But anyways, let's keep going over what we got here with Ethereum. So over here, you can see Ethereum price builds the momentum to hit new all-time highs. So Ethereum price develops an entry condition before a test of $5,000. And that's pretty much the all-time high that we're about to hit. We're about to hit a new all-time high here. Our all-time high right now is $4,878 inside of Ethereum. So 5,000 will be our new high pretty much. So anyways, the outperformance of Bitcoin is likely to be sustained. So downside risk remains, but are limited. So Ethereum price is up more than 16%. As you see, we just now had a pullback. So Ethereum price action prepares for another run up at $5,000. Ethereum price is positioned to be the primary leader in the cryptocurrency space again. It has broken out above the upper trend line of the bear flag it was trading in, denying any short sellers an opportunity to continue to further their selling pressure. So $4,800 price level is the final resistance zone that bulls must cross to put Ethereum at new all-time highs. So we passed that very, very, very briefly, but we definitely have the potential to get back up there above 4,800 and then eventually up to $5,000. Now over here you see a double top at the $4,800 currently exists on the $50 3 out of 3 box reversal point and figure chart. So that double top creates what is likely the final buying opportunity before Ethereum hits its new all-time high. Therefore, the hypothetical long setup is a buy stop order at $48.50, a stop loss at $48,600, and a profit target at $62.50. So the projected profit target is derived from the vertical profit target method in point and figure analysis. So conservative traders may wish to wait for a pullback from the current double top and then look for a triple top to develop. Additionally, conservative traders could wait for a bear trap, bearish freakout, or a bearish shakeout pattern before going long. Now, I definitely do believe that something like this could happen, but a lot of people right now are praying that it's a bear trap. So then, a bull trap, so then they can buy the dip. They're like, oh my gosh, I don't want to not know when it's about to rise. Is this about to be the next bull run? And a lot of people are hoping that this whole downtrend right here is turning into a bull trap. But the reason I don't believe this is a bull trap is because look, when you look at the supply and demand areas, you see way, way more demand and way less of the less demand. So as you can see, the green areas show that we have more demand. The red areas show that we have less demand. You see that the red areas are starting to show up way less. They were like way dominant back in about the 20th of November and all that. But now the bulls are becoming more dominant. That's why you're seeing the 24-hour market control over here being controlled by the bulls by 60% in the last 24 hours. So we have lots of demand for Ethereum at all these levels from $3,800, $3,900 to $4,000. Lots of demand there. We have lots of demand for Ethereum at $4,300. We have lots of demand. Well, not as much demand, but we still have demand for Ethereum over here at $4,500. So we just now came off of this drop that led us all the way down here to 4,000, nearly going all the way down below $3,900. So Ethereum has this potential to continue to break out if the overall crypto market continues to do good, if we get all this FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt away from the market. But when you see over here, when Ethereum started to rise, you started to see that it was rising way higher than Bitcoin inside of volume. It started to just get way more, and it was like a way straighter path upwards. Like you can see Bitcoin over here, it had a big jump, but then it dropped down. Then it had a jump and it dropped down even more. But Ethereum, it was just constant pressure going on the uptrend. So that's something that we could see coming possibly soon. And also Binance Coin is also going to continue to rise. And I'm going to make a Binance Coin video soon because Binance Coin and Ethereum, they're like the two top leading things in crypto right now. Like, yes, we do got stuff like Solana that's coming up out of the woodworks. Cardano doing some good things. They're about to have their first decentralized exchange. We're about to have Polkadot doing big things. We got all these different blockchains doing really huge things, Polygon, all this different stuff that we're going to have a lot of different competition for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is not going to be the end all be all when it comes to the number one store of value inside of crypto. We're going to have all these good options starting to come in through these altcoins. So it's kind of like, the sun beast father inside of the whole, hierarchy thing. Now, Ethereum being the son of Bitcoin, we could definitely see that happening very soon. We could see Solana doing it very soon. And we could see a lot of these different cryptos, starting to try to surpass Bitcoin. Now, I'm not saying Solana is just going to out of the woodworks pass Bitcoin's market cap like that. I'm not saying Ethereum out of the woodworks is going to pass Bitcoin's market cap like that. But Ethereum is going to continue to rise inside of price due to the burning mechanisms that we have set into place. So we're definitely going to see some good stuff coming on here. So within the last few minutes of us even making this video, 10 minutes or so, remember we started at 4,909,000,000. Go rewind the video. You'll see it was at $4,909,000,000. And now you can see we're at $4,928,000,000. So even within the last 10 minutes, we burned a lot of Ethereum inside of Ethereum. So let's keep doing this video so I can show you exactly what we're about to do quite possibly inside of Ethereum. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. But yeah, let's keep going over this. However, the downside risk remain. Ethereum could very quickly develop a deep retracement towards the $3,300 level despite a breakout above the former bear flag. And this could happen, like I was saying, if we have some more FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the crypto market will inevitably bring Ethereum down to those levels. Also, we follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin continues to do is dumping, if there's more FUD about Bitcoin or about cryptos in the whole crypto market, then we'll see something like that happening in Ethereum or all the other altcoins as well. So over here, hidden bearish divergence is now present on the daily Ishimoku chart, warning traders that the current upswing may be a false move. A daily close that returns Ethereum inside the bear flag would likely trigger a move south and invalidate any bullish entry opportunities on the point and figure chart. So you still have to watch out for what could happen with the bearish targets, because you got to remember the whole crypto market is really going to be following what's going on inside of trends inside the news, from crypto news all the way to political news. So if we keep getting more mandates and we keep getting more, variants, if we keep getting more like bad FUD inside the crypto market, the whole thing with the SEC and then all the crypto stuff, if we keep getting stuff like that coming out for us, then we're definitely not going to be doing good in crypto, as well as continuing to get more infrastructure bills that put more taxes on more people, that put more money in more places that they really shouldn't be going to, or that they should be going to, but from different places. So there's just a lot going on inside the overall global economy. And if we keep getting bad stuff in the global economy, they're going to see crypto go on a plunge downwards. So that's pretty much to sum that up. But right now, when you look at the technicals, technically we could have some good gains coming inside of crypto coming very soon. So you got to look at both fundamentals and technicals. Anyways, we got Ethereum doing some good stuff still for the week, 7.1%. We're still up for the week. The 14 days, the last 30 days, we're still up. Last year, we're still up. So we can't be complaining at all. We're still higher than what we started the year at. So that's all we got to look at this from. That's the only perspective we got to see it from. So anyways, moving on here, Ethereum 2 developers call on the community to help test out the merge. So Ethereum developers have put out a call to the community to help test the long-awaited merge between the Ethereum mainnet and the proof-of-stake-based beacon chain. So the merge is a major milestone of the transition to Ethereum 2.0, as it will see the Ethereum network become a proof-of-stake blockchain, decreasing its energy consumption by 99%. People wouldn't even have to mine. Like they wouldn't even have to have all these mining farms mining Ethereum and all that, because all you have to do is stake the coins and then more coins are going to be minted. It's like, this is just what we need inside Ethereum. We just need to have the proof of stake already being out. Is going to help us out a lot. So over here you can see on Monday, Ethereum developer Marius van der Wegen, or however you're going to say his name, announced a new program to get the community involved in merge testing that caters to 3 tiers: non-technical users, developers with limited experience in blockchain, and highly technical and experienced blockchain developers. So over here you can see he said testing is the best way to contribute to Ethereum. We are starting a new program to get the community involved in testing the merge. So if you want to do your part in getting Ethereum to proof of stake as soon as possible and save the environment, DM me. So you can definitely DM him and definitely start testing this merge to help out the economy. So let's go over more stuff with Ethereum. Ethereum nears fresh all-time high as Bitcoin lags. Like I just showed inside the CoinGecko chart, you've seen that Ethereum went straight on a diagonal upwards path, but Bitcoin, it went up, but then it went down. It went up, and then it went down. So Ethereum is having a steady path upwards as Bitcoin is lagging in its nature now. So hopefully Ethereum can continue to grow. I like Ethereum. I like Bitcoin. But honestly, Ethereum has more potential than Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin obviously is going to be that top crypto for right now, but it's only because it was the first crypto made and everything else was made inside the light of Bitcoin. But like I said, it could easily be overthrown by Ethereum should we keep burning at the paces and rates that we're burning now inside Ethereum. Anyways, Ethereum in 2022. What is money in the metaverse? Remember, the whole metaverse is going crazy. People are buying land in the metaverse. People are doing all this crazy stuff in the metaverse. And Ethereum could be the front face of that metaverse. So if Ethereum, alternative base layer protocol, Solana, and Avalanche in the metaverse are ultimately successful, the definition of money will become much broader than its fiat limitation today. We are already seeing protocols raising capital and investors measuring their portfolios against either Ether instead of dollars or stablecoins, pretty much. So people are going to be using the metaverse a lot inside the future, and Ethereum is really becoming right like the face of it right now. So we're about to have a lot of good stuff coming out for the metaverse and a lot of good stuff coming out for Ethereum as well. Anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe though. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Like I said inside the video, I said we were going to, bounce off the supply and demand area. And what we are doing is bouncing off the supply and demand area. So that's what we're going to be doing right now in the short term with Ethereum. But yeah, definitely leave a like and comment, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.